everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to yet again another edition of the S Stories, Chef Sophie and Friends special, of course powered by Food Forest. And my apron is on and my chef hat is on. आपको पता है कि हमने तमाम जितने भी episodes थे उसके अंदर we had to maintain our SOPs, तो mask was on, but I had a great time. Such a fantastic journey throughout the month of Ramzan and उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबका रमज़ान भी बहुत अच्छा गुजरा होगा क्योंकि मेरा तो बहुत मज़े का था. कभी कोई आ रहा था, कभी कोई आ रहा था. मुझे तो खैर मुफ्त का जो खाना मिला था खाने के लिए, मैं तो उसी के लिए बहुत खुश थी. अच्छा, just a few pointers that if you talk about locally grown products, there's a very misconception here in Pakistan कि अच्छा अगर पाकिस्तान में कोई चीज़ बनी है तो शायद इसकी क्वालिटी थोड़ी सी ज़रा लो है. That is where Food Forest comes in as well, and we are so happy for them to be on board with us for this special series. All the ingredients and everything that you see right here is brought to you by Food Forest. So thank you very much for your feedback and for your encouragement. So today, ladies and gentlemen, on the grand finale, ta-da, of Chef Sophie and Friends, we have an entrepreneur. We have a foodie king. We have this person who's known as the bhai of the food world. उनका जब नाम लेते हैं तो eateries और restaurants कहते हैं भाई आप तो आए ना, आप तो आए, आपका तो सीन है. उन्होंने एक ऐसी community बनाई है पाकिस्तान में, specifically in Lahore, जहाँ पे organic engagement है, and he has been responsible for food festivals, for food mobs, for making sure that we understand that, you know, being a foodie is also very entrepreneurial, ladies and gentlemen. Who do you think I'm calling? Let's go and take a look. All right, ladies and gentlemen, finally presenting the one, the only, the foodie king himself, Mr. Asad Sheikh. Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं आप?
I'm well. आप सुनाओ कैसे हो?
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. Welcome to our studio here at the S Studio. How was your day today?
Excellent. We are going through some rough times because of the pandemic.
Absolutely.
And that's why hence
we have our masks on.
going on. Even been vaccinated and all that, but still थोड़ी सी एहतियात जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल, आई थिंक थोड़ी सी नहीं, काफी ज्यादा एहतियात जरूरी है. खासतौर पे हमारे जो माशाल्लाह हसीन नेशन है, उनको तो बार बार एक चीज बोलो तो फिर जाके उनको समझ आती है. फिर what I'm saying,
वो भी नहीं आती.
वो भी नहीं आती. ये तो गल है. अच्छा, so I have this beautiful setup over here because आपने मुझे बताया था कि आप बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग आज चीज बनाने लगे. So Sheikh साहब, what are you cooking for us today?
Simple. सोफी ने मुझे कहा कि what could be the quickest thing to make at home. तो मैंने उसको कहा क्वासिडिया. You don't need much. आपको मार्केट से रेडीमेड चिकन चंक्स भी मिल जाते हैं. आई मीन आई प्रेफर टू मेक इट एट होम कि उनको मैरिनेट करके बनाएं. लेकिन क्विक मींस क्विक.
एब्सोल्युटली.
ठीक है,
बिल्कुल.
सो वी गॉट सम चिकन चंक्स, वी गॉट सम मशरूम्स, वी गॉट टोर्टिया ब्रेड, we got some salsa, jalapenos, some butter, and mozzarella cheese. नमक मिर्च की मुझे आज जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि it's quick fix.
Okay, perfect. You have some mayonnaise as well, by the way.
Well,
we'll see.
No, we'll see.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, you don't quite need mayonnaise, but cheese will do the work.
Okay.
You know, butter and cheese will do the work.
Perfect. अच्छा, हो क्या रहा है कि रमजान में हमने आपको पता है शेफ सोफी एंड फ्रेंड्स में डिफरेंट लोगों को ना बुला के डिफरेंट रेसिपीज जो है शेयर की थी. बट टुडे आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड टू हैव असद ओवर बिकॉज आई फील असद यू हैव डन so much for the community here in Pakistan, specifically Lahore. So how's that journey so far, you know, being the foodie king?
Yeah, it has been a great journey. 8 साल. Foodies R Us has been in existence for 8 years now.
Wow, mashallah, it's been 8 years already.
8 years. This is the 8th year.
मुझे तो लगा था अभी कोई 3-4 साल ही हुए होंगे, but it's mashallah 8 years.
But yes, it's been 8 years, and Allah ने बड़ी इज्जत दी. From the platform which brought so many people together and we brought so many chefs together. We brought Food Festival to you, we brought Umda app to you, and we got a lot more coming your way as well. I mean, we're not done. I mean, this factory keeps on moving, you know, and these keep on producing talent. मैंने इतने talented people देखे हैं in the past 8 years. I cannot tell you.
Absolutely. नहीं, I completely agree. बल्कि मैं आपको मजे की बात बताऊं, अक्सर लोग जो ना मुझे मैसेज करके कह रहे होते, अच्छा वो जरा असद शेख साहब से पूछे ना अगर ये काम हो सकता कि नहीं. मैंने कहा ये चेक करें आप कि बाकी असद शेख साहब ने अपना वो ब्रांड बना लिया. Okay then, now रमजान आपको पता है is almost ending. I hope that all of you had a great time and a safe and healthy रमजान. तो आज जो है बड़ी मजे की रेसिपी तो आपने बता दी है हमें. तो अब करना क्या है? Now what's the first thing?
First of all, we have to you take some butter.
Okay.
And pan हमारे already ready हैं.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Basically, we
So
have
we
this
have
tawa
to-
happening
yeah.
over here.
Tawa is for tortillas and the pan is for the
When you
mix.
have to saute
ठीक है?
the, yeah.
So we're gonna take some butter
Alright.
and put it in the pan.
ठीक है,
ठीक है? Already गरम है.
ठीक है. अच्छा वैसे butter adds taste to everything.
Everything.
है ना?
I think everything goes well with butter.
I agree
know?
with that.
So
Our stomachs wouldn't agree though, क्योंकि कई दफा वो ये कहते हैं कि भाई जरा थोड़ा हाथ हौला रखो.
there we go. We're using butter on that end as well.
Oh my God, yummy.
Already. So we're gonna use some chicken chunks.
Okay. All right.
ये already market में readily available है. ठीक है?
अच्छा मतलब
So-
कि कोई सी भी chicken chunks आप use
Yeah.
कर लें from the
Use
market.
any. I mean
Okay.
ये especially the mothers, for them, this is the quickest fix for the kids.
Agreed.
I mean ये हम अपने बच्चों के साथ भी कर चुके हैं by the way.
तो बच्चे अगर आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना तो ये करते हैं आपके अब्बा हजूर अक्सर. Next time he gives you something which is made out of chicken chunks, you should know what's
Yeah.
the story behind
Exactly.
it.
और
Nice.
सोफी ये तुम्हारी खातिर मैं कर रहा हूँ. Do you know
Yeah,
that?
I love you, Sheikh Saab. You know, honestly, he's one of those people in my life that every single time I have texted him anything, he's like, yes, I am in. You know, just go for it. And I really appreciate that.
नहीं हाजिर anytime.
Zabardast,
So we
zabardast.
just heating things up here
Okay,
a
so
little
no
bit.
spices abhi.
No. Chicken chunks are really spiced. I mean, you don't
Okay.
you don't need to add any spice. I'm just buttering them, you know, ताकि ये saute इनको सही तरह हम करें. And then once they're almost done, we will add some jalapenos to it.
Okay.
ताकि we
Okay.
saute them together.
Right.
ठीक है?
So
वो
it is a
must
quick fix recipe.
Yeah,
That's what we've been
of course.
talking about on Chef Sophie and Friends as well. देखिए जी वो रेसिपी हम आपको बता रहे हैं जो 5 मिनट से लेके 45 मिनट्स के अंदर अंदर तैयार हो जाए. So interesting. अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं कि उम्दा ऐप का क्या सीन है?
Yeah, Umda app is an app for home-based chefs.
Okay.
जहाँ पे उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म हमने दिया है जहाँ पे दे कैन मार्केट द प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
सो जहाँ पे उनका पेमेंट से लेके इसकी थोड़ी सी हल्की कर
हाँ,
दें.
मैं कर देती हूँ.
पेमेंट से लेके डिलीवरी तक एवरीथिंग ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट वी डू दैट. और उनके लिए एक इजी हो गया है. आई मीन एंड दे कैन कुक एट देयर ओन टाइम.
Right.
आई मीन देयर इज नो प्रेशर कि बाजी जी वो ऑर्डर आ गया जल्दी पहुंचो घर कढ़ाई बनानी है. देयर इज नो सच प्रेशर. आई मीन दे कैन टर्न ऑन द ऐप व्हेनेवर दे आर रेडी टू कुक.
Right.
ठीक है ना? सो
Okay, so that's really nice. All they need to do is download the app.
Exactly.
And okay, so how do you spell it exactly?
the app is Umda Chef for the home chefs. They have to download the app Umda Chefs.
Okay.
So वो डाउनलोड करेंगे, रजिस्टर करें और टीम will get in touch with them. And by the way, we taste every item before we say, okay, fine, you can be part of us. You know?
I have a story to share. I love this. Okay, I'm so glad that he's talking about this because ये वैसे मैंने ये आजमाई भी बात है कि I texted Asad Sheikh साहब once और मैंने उनको बोला था कि इस तरह there is this chef, you know, who's interested in promoting her products and all of that. So he gave me such nice pointers. उन्होंने बोला था देखिए मैं कोई भी ऐसा ब्रांड या कंपनी या प्रोडक्ट तब तक नहीं प्रमोट करूंगा जब तक वो मेरे नजरिए में वो उस लेवल तक ना पहुंचे.
बिल्कुल.
You know, so you have to believe in it.
Of course, I would not write about anything that I don't believe in.
Exactly.
I mean, dosiyan, yariyan. I mean, sorry, I'm adding some jalapenos.
Yum, yum.
So that. These are ready.
Right.
Chunks are ready. तो
But I
टोटल
can resist but say कि हमारे लिए शेख साहब गोल गोल नरम नरम रोटियां बना रहे हैं.
मैंने नहीं बनाई है, प्री मेड है. मैं सिर्फ सेक रहे हैं.
Okay, okay.
So we're just gonna simply add these things here
Right.
with some cheese, butter it up, and just fold it.
So we've sauteed the chicken
Yeah,
and a
yeah,
few
simple,
vegetables.
yeah.
You can see mushrooms and jalapenos on the tortilla bread. And उन्होंने पहले सेक किया उसको, उसके बाद फिर उन्होंने थोड़ा सा ऊपर ये मिक्सचर लगाया है. Now I think he's going to sprinkle some cheese.
Yep.
Yum, yum, yum.
Bring it.
Nothing a good cheese cannot fix. I'm a huge cheese lover, by the
Really?
way. I love my cheese.
So we just add some butter on top and on both sides, to be honest, and it's done.
It's done. जितनी आपने आज बटरिंग की है ना इस डिश के ऊपर है.
कसम ना बेगम ने नहीं आती रहने की.
Exactly. सही मक्खन लगाया है आपने इस डिश को.
Where's
Okay, so
my
the dish is
spatula?
here.
spatula.
The spatula is over here.
Oh, there you go.
Thank
Spatula
you.
was gone.
Thanks to our assistant over here.
Yeah.
There you
so
go.
here we go.
Ta-da!
So we're gonna cut it in half.
Okay.
ये ले जी.
Ta-da!
You see the cheesy part?
Ooh, yes, I see the cheese oozing out as well. Lovely,
There we go.
Lovely.
Okay.
Acha, I love how simple this was. You know, you just sauteed the chicken and then you had jalapenos and mushrooms and cheese. आपने हल्का सा उसको टोस्ट किया, बटर
Yep.
लगाया, जम के. Of course, बटरिंग काफी चल रही थी इस
So
एपिसोड
I'm
में.
just gonna put some salsa on the side. A few jalapenos
Yeah.
to go.
Lovely.
Quick quesadilla ready.
Ta-da! Bon appetit.
Not even 5 minutes.
अच्छा ये तो excuse me ये आप मुझे दे दें because I think this is good enough for me everybody. I think I'm gonna open my
It's
fast
yours.
with this for sure. This is
It's
mine.
yours.
जबरदस्त. अच्छा अब मुझे ये बताएं कि ये तो आपने हमें तरकीब बता दी, ठीक है? So you said it's gonna take you what about like 5 to 10 minutes maximum?
5 minutes max.
5 minutes max. Now for everybody who's watching us right now, आपको पता है Ramzan is almost ending. So what would be that one advice that you like to give them? कि this is that one way of leading a nice, healthy life. Just one advice from your side.
Well, ये एक बड़ा मुबारक महीना है जिसमें माशाल्लाह हम सारे मुसलमान बन जाते हैं. So we can be Muslim all through the year. We do a lot of giving throughout this month. We can continue doing that throughout the year. ज़कात सिर्फ रमज़ान के महीने में लागू नहीं है हाली.
बिल्कुल.
It can be spread over the year. आप be giving, be content, be forgiving. सबसे most important चीज़ है be forgiving. उस तरह लोगों को माफ़ करें जैसे आप अल्लाह से खुद अपने लिए माफ़ी मांगते हैं. So that's all there is. And if you do that, there'll be peace all around you.
Bravo, Asad Sheikh for president. I would definitely vote for you. Zabardast. क्या बात है, well done.
चलो.
Now we have a quick fix segment as well coming up shortly. Stay with us. Okay everybody, so right now we have this fantastic segment, of course courtesy of Food Forest. एक giveaway आपको नजर आ रहा है शेख साहब की जबरदस्त तैयार करदा जिसे कहते हैं डिश, and I cannot wait to indulge myself in this heavenly dish. But before I do that, so I have some fun questions for you.
Sure.
ठीक है, take your pick. अब आपके पास 2 क्वेश्चंस की ना चॉइसेस हैं. या तो मैं आपसे जेनेरिक इंटरनेशनल सवाल करूं हैं पूरी दुनिया के कुजीन के बारे में, या फिर आपसे जरा लोकली रिलेटेड सवाल
जेड़े मर्जी करो.
हैं. जेडी मर्जी पक्की गल है.
Yeah.
Okay, ready. Your time starts now. Which was the first food eaten in space? You have 3 options: applesauce, cucumber, or almonds.
Applesauce.
Correct. French fries originated from
Belgium.
France. Ta-da! Very good. Which nutrient do you get from meat, poultry, eggs, and fish?
Protein.
Of course, simple. Name the element needed to keep bones healthy and strong.
Vitamin C.
And
Calcium.
yes, absolutely. अच्छा अब हम जरा देसी टर्मिनोलॉजी के ऊपर आते हैं. ये तो एक किंग है ना, इनको तो पता है. जल्दी जल्दी आपने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. भैये के,
कबाब.
बशीर की,
कढ़ाई. ओ मच्छी यार.
फज्जे के,
पावे.
गोगे के,
चने.
बाबा जी की,
बाबा जी की कुल्फी.
यस, बेनजीर का,
कुल्फा.
ऑफ कोर्स बट की,
कढ़ाई.
एंड चमन की.
आइसक्रीम.
Ta-da! Sheikh
आइसक्रीम
Saab.
में आइसक्रीम.
10 on 10. This gift hamper is
Thank
yours,
you.
courtesy of Food Forest. Thank you so much, Sheikh
Thank
Saab,
you.
for coming over.
Thank you, Food Forest.
And
Thank
we really enjoyed having you over. मुझे ये बताइए कि
Pleasure.
आपने हमारे लिए तो बड़े मजे के खाने शाने बनाए, तो आपके घर में क्या बनता है इफ्तारी के ऊपर और सहरी के ऊपर? सर ये रोशनी
यार ये
वाली-
बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. हमारे घर में इफ्तारी पे देसी चीजें सिवाय फुल्कियों के कोई नहीं होती.
Really?
It is always sandwiches, soups, dumplings, quesadillas या fajitas. ऐसी शहरी में ਅਸੀਂ ਰੱਜ ਕੇ ਪੇਂਡੂ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ.
Because
पराठे शोरबे अंडे.
you like
You
to
know?
start your day off, not
Exactly,
like that.
exactly.
Zabardast. Zabardast. Thank you so much, Sheikh Saab. Once again, Eid Mubarak in advance to you.
आपको
Thank you
भी
for joining
बहुत-बहुत
us.
मुबारक.
I think we'd like to say goodbye to all of you. Do not go anywhere. Stay with us. So hope that all of you enjoyed this episode of the S Stories. Chef Sophie and friends, आपको पता है कि पूरे रमजान में different artists आए, different personalities, socialites, influencers, इतना मजा आया उनके साथ गपशप लगा के और recipes share करके, and we also maintained a bit of social distance and had our masks on, which is very important as well, keeping in mind that we are living in Corona times. तो आपको पता है कि हम लोगों ने different episodes में different लोगों से बातचीत करते हुए different recipes भी experiment की, but it's very important for us to note one thing in particular. When it comes to our local market, people often feel कि अच्छा पाकिस्तानी product है तो इसकी तो quality फजूल होगी या cheap होगी. That is where Food Forest comes in, and I absolutely love what these guys are doing. They recently opened up their doors in DHA Phase 5 here in Lahore as well. You know what they believe in? They believe in creating a community that believes in eating healthy, fresh, and natural, and they really want to encourage and support local farmers, young entrepreneurs and local entrepreneurs, ताकि हमारी जो local community है, जो market है, उसको realize हो कि अगर बाहर से कोई ठप्पा लगा हुआ है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. अगर वो made in Pakistan हो, it also means उसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. So buy locally and make sure that you get all the produce from local farmers as well, to make sure that we also encourage our own fraternity. So on that note, thank you so very much for supporting us. I had a great time hosting Chef Sophie and friends. A big shout out to Food Forest for being our partners and our sponsors as well. Jate jate, just one thing, that in the world full of cruelty and negativity, if you can just choose to be that one thing, choose to be kind. Happy Eid in advance, and Pakistan Zindabad. Bye-bye.